Today, I'm going to be diving inside the Agency Accelerator and rating it out of 10, reviewing all of the courses and mentorships that's inside it. And I'm also going to be addressing the accusations that Iman Gadzhi has been getting about not doing agency himself and actually persuading a mentorship, a course instead of the agency. So if you guys are interested, make sure you watch this video until the end. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, guys. Welcome back to a brand new video on my YouTube channel. Now, if you guys don't know me already, my name is Ehsanszz. I review a lot of different courses here and there, and a few of them are from Luke Belmore, Iman Gadzhi, Tate, and all of these other big celebrities, and I rate them out of 10 and see if they're really worth it or not. And me myself, alhamdulillah, I've got the privilege of having 2,500 students inside my own mentorship, which is called the Hustlers Ecom. So as a mentor myself, I go over all of these mentorships and courses and tell you guys if it's really worth it or not, and if you should actually join them, and rating it out of 10 on 3 different points. Point number 1 is the knowledge, how important and how knowledgeable is the course or the mentorship, and should you guys join it. Point number 2 is the quality and production. Is the video's quality really high, and if the production is really good or not. And point number 3, how easy it is to implement everything that's taught to you inside these mentorships. For example, a few courses have a lot of values, but to implement it you need so much budget and a lot of different connections or whatever. But regardless, I still review the course and I still tell you guys if it's really worth it, if it really is the quality that you guys are looking forward to, and if you guys can implement it by yourself. So I've got the Agency Accelerator in front of me. Now I'm not going to be going over the other mentorships like Ad Architect, Pen to Profit, or whatever. Mainly I am going to be focusing on Agency Accelerator, and I'm going to be showing you guys what it really offers. So now I'm going to be going over the dashboard and seeing everything that they offer right over here. So we got programs right over here, and then we have Insider Box and all of these other courses that are over here available. They also have Monk Mode, which says, and they even got Monk Mode right over here. We have 21, 30, 45, 60 days. If you click on 21 days, I can actually write things. So 30 minutes of exercise, I can, add my custom habits, so eat clean, and the rest would be 10 minutes meditation, don't use phone, whatever, non-alcohol or weed, workout. And now we have a 21-day calendar for the monk mode, and if I choose everything, it just shows that I've completed the day, and it also shows me the challenges and everything. This is actually sick. This is a very sick idea, but I will tell you guys something genuinely. This is something that was kind of available inside the TRW. Now this was something with a gym, not so in detail, but it was gym. If you actually went to the gym or not, and it was just basically a motivation for you. If you click on resources, this is where we have all of the courses available. So if we click on recordings, we are even able to see the recordings of Iman Gadzhi that has happened in the past, which is actually sick. That is really good. So in programs, we actually have all of the programs available, and I think we're going to be going inside the Agency Accelerator, which is going to be the most interesting one. So let's click on it. So over here we have Agency Accelerator, and we have all of these courses available inside the Agency Accelerator. Very interesting. There is a lot of information to actually dissolve, and laying strong foundation. There's a few different things that we have to look into. But overall, guys, of course, the rating will be at the end of the video, but everything feels super high quality, and I feel like I'm on Netflix right now. Oh my God, mashallah. And if you guys are curious, where is the audio coming to you? We actually have the glasses that I'm wearing currently. Can you guys hear it? Now, these are the glasses that I'm actually dropshipping right now. And if you guys didn't know, I do dropshipping. And this is a product that's currently making us 2K per day, which is of course very little, but we are not even scaling it yet. But yeah, these are the glasses that we are actually using, and how sick are they? They even have speakers, and I'll just show it to you guys. It can play anything and can get connected to any device. So it's actually a really sick product, and I'm just wearing it for the sake of the video. The fact that I can hear things in my ears is insane. It just feels like I'm in a whole vibe right now. That's why I'm not using my headphones. But yeah, overall, I see the first few videos and they look very high quality. Very interesting, to be honest. There's a lot of mindset information. Genuinely, there was a lot of people that were upset about, the course being so much about mindset rather than taking action, which I kind of get. Some people are not interested in the minding that much, but still, decoding hybrid funnel. Now, I am not sure who is this Golema. I'm not sure who that is, to be honest, guys, but there's a lot of different videos. Sales Agency Mastery, how to become unstoppable. There's a lot of videos inside the main course. So again, nailing wow, there's so many different categories and wow, there's so many categories and different videos, and you can even get the iMovie basics. Like you can literally watch how to start YouTube and editing. All right, let's be fair and honest. This course or mentorship, which is the Agency Accelerator, is very similar to Capital Club. Now, I'm not saying they're the same thing. They're very close to competing with each other. But there is a few things that I would say is better in Capital Club than Agency Accelerator, and there is a few things that's better in Agency Accelerator than the Capital Club. Now, starting with the Agency Accelerator and rating it out of 10, what the first thing, the knowledge. Now, if I were to tell you guys, based on what kind of person you are, you wouldn't need that much mindset ideas and that much mindset guidance, to be really fair with you guys. But regardless, for him to put a 2-hour video just for you guys to get a better mindset, I think it's just a work of charity at that point, because 2 hours of mindset is just gonna completely change your idea about life and everything. So it's pretty good, solid. I would say if you were to point out, the mindset versus the actionable steps, the mindset has so much more leverage to it, and it's holding so much more information to it rather than the actionable points. Although I'm not going over all of the actionable points, but I'm saying it generally. So in my opinion, I would say the knowledge would be an 8 out of 10. Combining these two, which is very good for a course. I don't think so I've given 10 out of 10 to any of the courses as of right now. And then the second thing would be the quality and the videos and everything. And as I told you guys, everything looks amazing. The quality is pretty solid, and I would say the quality gets a 9.5 out of 10, although there could have been slight changes that would have made it a 10 out of 10, but for now that's a 9.5 out of 10. Again, very good result, very good for the scale meter, which we don't go to 10 unless we see something crazy, we see something magical. And the last but not least, how implementable is the business or the ideas that they're teaching you. Now, this is something that I would debate based on a few different things. Number one is going to be money. Number two is going to be time. So if you kind of have a lot of money, then these are pretty actionable steps you can actually do it all by yourself. But if you don't have the time, again, you're gonna be lacking. It goes the same exact way with you having so much time and not enough money. It's gonna be a bit hard for you, especially with the first few phases. In my opinion, you definitely need a startup, and if you can afford, of course, Agency Accelerator, I'm pretty sure you're in a good position to actually even support your business. So overall, not bad, to be honest. If I were to say how implementable it is, I would say a 7.5 out of 10 based on different people and different, of course, people with different mindsets, which again is not bad, pretty good, to be honest. Now, I could say that he could actually unlock the millions of dollars that you could make through the agency itself, because of course there is possibilities. There's agencies that makes hundreds of millions, but how do they make it is by, of course, scaling, and of course scaling takes a lot of time. Regardless, Iman Gadzhi wants to show you how to make your first maybe $1 million through the agency, nothing more than that. If he couldn't do more than $1 million, of course he's not going to be able to show it to you. So for him to actually persuade the courses and mentorships and whatever, he has 100% right. Like, you cannot be like, oh, Iman Gadzhi, you gotta stick to the agency. He already stuck to it. He already showed you everything. He already paved the path to like 100,000 people or more, and he cannot be doing more than this if he didn't do it by himself. So it's a fair point of view to look into it, in my opinion. It's very fair for him to actually do what he did, step out of the agency and actually do the courses and whatever that he wanted to do. So pretty fair point. I love the guy, mashallah. He's doing amazing. May Allah bless him with so much more, mashallah. And yeah, amazing course, amazing mentorship overall. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.